Yes, I know this video coming out of nowhere. But this finna be a vlog. Not a vlog. Man, I don't know what y'all gonna call it. Shoot. It's just restocking my mini refrigerator. Hold up. Let me turn off my LED lights. Okay, as y'all can see, nothing in my freezer. Nothing on the bottom. So I'm finna go refill this right quick. Yeah, let me turn the mini refrigerator up, you feel me? It be cold. I don't know if y'all seen that, but I turned that out right there. So, it's gonna be cold. When I put that new stuff up in there, it's gonna be freezing. Man, I'm going to Family Dollar to get some stuff. Golly. Then I'm gonna go to College Seas and get some stuff. And all that. And my mom had me driving, so that's why I ain't vlog on the way here. Golly, bro. Oh, let's get some stuff stacked up. Let's see what they got up in here. Y'all gonna make me act a fool up in here. Alright, they got some water. Y'all need that for sure. Okay, we got Dr. Pepper's favorite drinks. Dang, y'all got no Gatorades now? I'm gonna have to go to College Seas for that. Well, let's check over this aisle. I don't need no 2 liter. I just need sodas. Y'all think I should get some snacks? Like, I've been really trying to cut back on my weight. For real. Cause you know, I don't got no 6-pack. I got a fat pack. But no, I'm just joking with y'all. I'm just gonna get like some water and some sodas. Then I'm gonna go over there to College Seas. Let's see what's up with them. Cause I don't got no energy drinks or nothing like that. I mean, they got some bangs, but I want to come in the pack. I don't want to get one by one, you feel me? And I'm going to College Seas to get some more stuff. And my guy, it's still like we finna have a hurricane out here or something like that. Like, Ali, man. I don't know. Stuff is spinning around and all this and that, but I'll see y'all in the store. I told y'all I'll see y'all in the store. For one, because I'm like, oh, you can't record up in here, mister. You know how they get. Be hanging on the come up. But let's see what they got up in here, though. Alright, since I got a mini refrigerator, I gotta get something little. So, I get like 2 of these. And yes, I drink coffee. Alright. I mess with these right here, so. And I'll get 2 of these too right here. Dang, man, it's lightning and stuff outside too. Hope I don't get hit. Or the government owe me a check. Huh? I'm done now. Let's start with the water first. Alright, that's one rule. Let's start with these Gatorades. Hold up, cause I gotta break these apart. Alright, that's enough right now. Okay, let's get started with these now. Alright, so now I got the red Gatorades. Alright, now we got Dr. Pepper's right here. Alright, so we doing those. I got my coffee and all that. Let's get these right here. That's all I need. Alright, I'm straight on that. I got these right here. Finna go on the bottom. put on the bottom and all that. Okay, I don't got no more. I don't know Gatorade, so let's see, can I fit that? Yeah, there you go. Alright, I'm gonna put some water on the bottom. Hold up. Oh, okay, put some water right here, alright. Alright, back. This don't be hard to do one hand. I think that's how to get it. I mean, dang, the water that's gonna fit. Yeah. Oh no, I can fit some more water right here. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh, okay, that's on there. Alright, alright. Hold on, I got water right here. Alright, that should do it. Oh, I forgot the bottom. About the bottom. I put some coffees down there. So I'm gonna put the rest of these coffees and the rest of these down here. That's mostly where I put my Lunchables, but see, we ain't go to Walmart. I went to Coffee Seeds and Family, General Family Dollar. I forgot where I went. But yeah. Alright. That's why y'all ain't see me get nothing for the freezer part. Cause we ain't go to Walmart. I usually get like food and all that, but not this time. But let me go ahead and turn this down. Turn that down. Alright. Get a good look. Okay, the pump hit his body, is making her the murder dance. The 4-5 hit him and make her do the dirt dance. Shawty on the pole and she doing her handstand. I'ma tip her, make her do my dance.